Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the biometrics and security, then go to the fingerprints, tap continue, then select if you want to, then you have to set up your screen lock. You can select pattern, pin or password. I'm just gonna select pin. You enter your pin, then you confirm it. In the following step, you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button. So you just tap it between your fingers several times, like this, until it remembers your fingerprint. And fingerprint added. And now, for example, we can unlock our device without entering any PIN code by just scanning our fingerprint so easily. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.